Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm going to review the actual Sentro knitting machine. This is the 22 needle. Let's get started. So the box gives a little description, shows you how to make your tension tight, moderate, and loose. Can do panel knitting and tube knitting. You can make hats, scarves, furnishings, and then in a quote or in a parenthesis, pumpkins. This is very similar to my other one that I purchased. My other one I purchased is not a technical Sentro, but it sure looks like one. It works like one. It does look a little bit different. It has legs. This is my old one, and I have a review on this. I can link that below. This did not have a name on it. It just had a design. And this actually says Sentro on it. But I mean, there's a few differences here, but they are very much almost the same. So I'm going to take the blue sticky tack off of the bottom of this one because it works very, very well to keep this in place because they are smaller. And I'm going to put it on the Sentro so that it doesn't move around on my desk while I am trying it out. You can pick up sticky tack, I don't know, Walmart, a lot of places. I think even maybe Dollar Tree might have it. I always get the blue stuff from Walmart. I don't remember how much it is, but I mean, it lasts forever. You just warm it up in your hand and then you can reposition it. Take different amounts from it and reuse it over and over and over. I love this stuff. This comes with pads that go on the bottom. I don't want that to be permanent on here. That is why I am using the sticky tack. So I'm going to go ahead and put sticky tack on all 4 points, just like as if I was using the foam stick pads. And then I will show the instructions and what came with the machine. Now, I purchased this on TEMU. I will leave my affiliate link below. This video is not sponsored by TEMU. I purchased this with my own money. And I am reviewing it because I am interested. I'm going to move my camera now. Okay. So it comes with instructions. It says rabbit knitting machine on it. And then as you see, it says rabbit on here. So whatever, I mean, okay. Loop knit and plain knit selectable just by simple switch. Delivers lovely fabrics can now be knitted out. I don't know if I'm reading that right. So pretty much like all the other knitting machines, it's showing how to thread it, which is just like my Sentro 48. That's in another language. Here we go. So essentially it's the same. So I'm going to set that there. It comes with a tension rod, 2 needles, 1 needle, 1 crochet hook, and then the 4 foam pads, 2 small balls of yarn. If you are wondering why my voice has been so weird lately, my allergies are going crazy. So this goes on just like the Sentro 48 or whatever other size that you have with the tension, and it just clips in there so that you can't really see that too well, so that you can guide the yarn on that. Okay, and then I'm going to, oh, there's guards on this. See these? That's different. I wonder why there's guards on there. I think that's a bit odd. The other machine I have has this weird setup on the top, and I talked about this in my other video. It has like a yarn guard on there, which I liked and didn't like. This does not have that. This just has this tube here. This does not have a counter on it either. So I'm probably going to have to stand up to use this since I can't see because of these things. I wonder, just a thought. On the book, it says rabbit. I wonder if those are rabbit ears. I'm thinking yes. I'm thinking definitely yes. Okay, mystery solved. There's no other reason for them to be there other than cutesy rabbit. Okay, so what do we got here? This looks like a 3/4. They both kind of look like slate 3/4s. I'm gonna try with this one. This is like a gray blue. It said the middle one was for moderate tension. It's my black needle here. Actually, I don't want to put it in there yet. I want to work the first. Woo! It is very staticky. I want to work the first round. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this yarn. I'm not making anything in particular. I am just seeing how this works. It's 2 o'clock here. I don't like these bunny ears. Okay, so I have a length left. I'm going to stop. I think this will make a child size hat. Just gonna bind off and then talk a little bit about the machine. So I completed the small skein of yarn. It knitted up very nicely. I like it a lot. I would make a great headband. So by pulling on this, the width on this is not very much. We have a width of about 2.5 inches-ish. So it's a good size for a headband. I cinched this end. I'll probably cinch this end and see if it fits around my head, just for fun. It does. It's snug, so it would probably actually stay on my head. It definitely would work for a child size headband. I'll measure the length. Obviously, you could make yours any length. This was just one little skein that came with the box, so let's see how much we got out of it. 14 inches. So it's not very big. So a headband for a child or a smaller adult's head, because mine is probably too big, but you could join it and put like maybe a flower there to give it a little more room for you to have a headband. This yarn is so staticky and I don't know why. It's a little strange. But I could also turn it inside out and make a hat. Join the two together, make it like a double knit hat, which may be what I do. Because I'm not going to unravel this. There's no reason for that. So what do I think about the 22 needle Sentro? I think the bunny ears are strange. I wish it didn't have bunny ears, but I guess I'll get used to it, right? I did not notice that when I purchased it. I don't know if they all have that. Maybe I'll take a gander and see if they all have that. I feel like they don't. But I don't know, so I will take a look and see. I mean, it works great. I didn't have an issue with it at all. It worked beautifully with the yarn that came with it. So, I mean, other than the bunny ears, and I would like it to have some way to screw it to a table. It does not have that. It is lighter weight though than a 40 pin or a 48 pin. 48 needle, 40 needle. So maybe it doesn't need it, but I need it. So I would give it a ding for that as well. Probably rated, I don't know, it works pretty good. Probably give it an 8 out of 10. It's a decent little machine. I didn't have any issues, no drop stitches. I wasn't going particularly slow. So I think it's a good little machine. I don't like the bunny ears and I wish I could screw it to the table. That's about it. Other than that, I'm happy with it. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. I will put the price down below so that you can go take a look on TEMU and see if you're interested in picking one up. TEMU has their prices are always fluctuating. So one day you might get on and something is really, really cheap, and the next day you get on and it's not. They run flash lightning deals. They have switch deals, and I've never gotten in on one. They go in like less than a second, but you can check it out. I'll leave my affiliate link for TEMU below. This video is not sponsored by TEMU, but I do have an affiliate link that I get a little kickback on, and you get a percentage off your order. This is going to be a very tiny hat. Let me show it to you. That's pretty tiny. But it would probably fit a small newborn or a baby in the NICU. Take that up, move it over. It is in my way. It's a cute little hat. It would fit a very small child. I like it. So I will measure the diameter of this so you have some sort of idea. This yarn is not very stretchy though, just so you know. About 4 inches, so about 8-ish inches in diameter, maybe 8.5. So a very preemie type size child could wear this hat. But it's cute and I like it. Or a baby doll, I guess. Fit on a baby doll. Maybe it'll fit on my baby doll. I'll have to check it out. I think I put it in the other room. It's not in here. Anyway, 8 out of 10 for the Sentro 22 needle. That looks like a bunny. I like it. I like it a lot. So I am giving one of these away. You have made it to this part of the video and you will be rewarded. So I'm going to give one of these Sentro machines away to anyone who lives in the United States that comments below. Have you ever used a knitting machine? And is it something you've been interested in and just haven't, you know, dove in? Do you knit? You know, like do you hand knit? Just curious. I'm just curious about how many of you knit and how many of you use knitting machines. Not that I'm going to bring a lot more content with knitting machines, but I think they're interesting and I find them fascinating, and I have been knitting and crocheting for decades. So just a question, have you ever used a knitting machine, and do you hand knit? How about those two? So leave your comment in the comment section below. I will leave this open. I'm going to leave this open for a good week. So I'm going to run this. I will put this up Wednesday the 24th. And I'm going to leave this go until the end of the month. I will leave it go until May 31st. On May 31st, after 9 p.m. Mountain Time, I will draw a winner for this. And then I will make a video stating the winner, and I will also reply back to your message so that you know you're the winner and get a notification. If you don't have your notifications turned on, I highly recommend that you do, so that you know right away if you are the winner, that you can get me your information. I do prefer if you subscribe to my channel. It's not required. I'm not requiring you to be a subscriber. Honestly, being a subscriber is great. It does show support for my channel, and I do appreciate it. But watching videos is a lot of support for my channel, and commenting on videos and liking them. That shows way more support than subscribing, but I do love you subscribing, don't get me wrong. So I don't require that you are a subscriber for this giveaway, but it would be great if you were. So I'll leave it at that. Leave your comment below answering my questions, and I will choose a winner May 31st. So the Sentro I will be giving away will be brand new, packaged up. It will not have used yarn in it. It is a separate machine that I purchased for this giveaway. So this machine is mine, and the one I send you will be yours and not used. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate you, and until next time, guys.